Hey guys, transform with me my laundry area space from this boring, plain-ish to this. So I am making this from scratch and I'll take you along on everything that I made. So first of all, what I have is called a leaping. Yeah, I think it's called a leaping, and this is glue that I'm going to use. So I bought these cheap boards, or they are called what? I think they are called MDF boards. I bought these MDF boards from a local carpenter. There's one that sells them at wholesale. So these half of these was like, I did not buy the whole block board, which was going for 3,500. I paid 1750 and got half of it, and they cut it for me. I had already measured the space and I had the measurements with me. So these ones are like 1 foot by 80 centimeters. So I had already measured, and it was easy for the fundi to cut for me, and I found it so affordable because that half board, it has come with these three, and there are other remaining three that I'll use in other places in my house. And considering that it's a very nice board, it means that it will go a long way in my projects. So I'll use the other half to make a shoe rack or a storage for my bags that is just as like this type. So yeah, come with me as I make everything, and I hope that you'll enjoy. You don't have to break the bank to make your space beautiful, especially if it's a rental space. So everybody, I was going to make for me like a floating shelf, or to just come and fix for me a shelf. Their quotations were above 5,000 for what I wanted. So being a DIY person, I thought, why not? So I bought those MDF board, and I also went to Gikomba and I got this. They are called wall brackets. So the wall brackets were going for 180 per pair, but I came to realize that Gikomba was expensive because my local fundi, the one where I bought the plywood, was going for 150. So I wish I could have bought locally instead of going all the way to Gikomba. So I think it also pays for you to go and just ask your local fundi to get the prices before you go all the way to Gikomba, and maybe find that the price is the same or just slightly. So anyway, I did not know that, so I went and bought. Another thing is that our house is made of stone, so I had planned to use screws, but when I attempted, like, the screws were not like going. They required me to have that electric drill, and because I did not have it, I have this hand drill that I'm using right now. I improvised and I used steel nails, and they worked pretty fine. So yeah, so let me take you along on this project, and I hope that you will like it. If you want something like this done for you, you can also call me or something. But yeah, I hope that you like this project, and please remember to like, remember to share, remember to subscribe. And if you are new to the channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And for my old subscribers, hey, thank you so much for always sticking it here. We're still here and we're still going on. So yeah, I leave you with some music as we finish the rest of the project. In case you're wondering how I fixed the shelves, I just used my nails and I stuck the wall brackets on the wall, and then the shelves I have not fixed screwed them in yet, and they are okay. So once I get the right type of screw, maybe I'll screw them in, although that does not have an effect other than stability. Yeah, that's what I did.
Do you remember when you walked away? When all of our embers became ashes of grey. But I've been going time again and time again. I hope that you will see my heart too. But you don't remember me like I remember you. Like I remember you. I've been searching for the right time, but there's never a